Hi there, I am Enric. So the recommended diet that I recommend is 80% raw, vegan and vegetarian. That means 80% raw and the 20% can be like little bit pasteurized or a little bit steamed. So just lightly steamed or cooked things for the healthy emotions that need some comfort, because we need comfort in a difficult world, because this world is really difficult, how it's designed, how the food system is designed. So we need flexibility at least the 20%, the 20%. So yes, 80% raw, vegan, vegetarian. That means fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, smoothies, herbal teas, herbs, superfoods, mushroom powders, purees, soups, salads, egg yolks, some raw cheese. Some people can do it. So things like this make your lifestyle healthy, and you can be strong. Like you can be strong on this diet, and just be happy for the animals, because yes, some vegetarian food can save the spirit of the animal. It's my opinion. Some vegans will be against this, but in my opinion, some vegetarian food can be healthy for the spirit of the animal, because a healthy person that eats a raw vegetarian food keeps the soul of the spirit of the animal. So that's a personal choice. We need to navigate this in the manner that we can, because each country has different food systems. Some people can be vegan, raw vegan. Some people can not be raw vegan at 100%. So we need this flexibility, this curve of education, and that's the choice of each individual for the improvement of everyone. So yes, improve the world, improve your surroundings, make healthy choices. We need to harmonize the spirit of the house, of the town, of our people, of our family, our body, our minds, our hearts. So that's the thing, harmonization.